Okay, we're going to talk a little bit about the Hiro PowerPoint presentation and media control. This device actually controls more than just MS PowerPoint. It also controls Windows Media Player, Windows Power DVD, and Windows DVD Player. All of these are standard with most computers, but today we're actually going to focus on the PowerPoint presentation capabilities. If you notice, the Hiro device is actually very small, it's about the size of a credit card. On the back side, it actually has additional ports to slide into your laptop Wi-Fi device. You can actually slide it into the slot, and it'll stand about 3/4 of the way. It's actually just for a short-term storage unit. We don't actually recommend you leaving it there, though. On the back side, you have two additional sections. This bottom section is for the device's battery. It's got a small watch-like battery, and this is actually the USB connector. You'll actually pry this up with your fingernail, and it'll reveal additional little piece that will slide into your computer. This piece right here will work like a USB flash drive. It'll have additional buttons as link right here. This button, in case you lose connectivity with your control, by pressing it, you can actually resync the device with your computer. When the device is inserted properly into a USB drive, you'll actually see it flash red. And that will indicate that you're connected properly. So we'll slide this to the side. Okay, your device actually has several different modes, like I mentioned before, and several different buttons. At the bottom, you want to pay special attention to the mode indicator. Initially, you'll be set on PowerPoint presentation mode. You'll see no additional lights on this side right here. If you hold down the mode button, you'll see the first light indicate green, and the green indication means that you're in Windows Media Player mode. Holding it down again will indicate an orange light, which takes you into Power DVD mode, and holding down again will light both lights, the orange and green, indicating that you're in Windows DVD application mode. We want to stay in the clear mode, which is PowerPoint mode. At the top here, you have your laser pointer. This is effective for demonstrations on the screen and letting your students know where they should be focused. Initially, you'll have to hold down the laser pointer for about 3 to 5 seconds before it'll activate, and once it's there, you'll notice that the laser will come out right away. Every time after that, whenever you click on the power button for the laser will appear. The buttons, these first 6 buttons right here labeled in red, are the buttons that will control your PowerPoint presentation. When you initially start your PowerPoint presentation, you'll be in edit mode. If you click on the slides button, this up arrow right here, it'll take your PowerPoint into presentation mode, where you'll actually be able to move back and forth between your slides. To advance your slides, you'll click on the next button right here, and to return to a previous slide, you can hit on the previous button. So these two will be your directional keys. To escape the full screen mode, you'll click on the escape button down here. It'll take you back into the edit mode. And you can also display on the screen a complete black screen or white screen in case you want to take a pause or a break from your PowerPoint. These are basically the 6 buttons that you'll use to control your PowerPoint presentation. The additional buttons are for the DVD control modes. If you're in Windows Media Player mode, you'll be able to stop, pause, rewind, and go back between different frames, as well as eject or raise volume buttons. As I mentioned before, you're going to be using mostly the PowerPoint presentation mode. You want to make sure that this is in clear. It doesn't have any lights or different mode settings. Your laser will be initiated by holding it down for 3 seconds. And you'll be able to go through your different modes this way into full presentation mode, previous slide, the next slide, escape back into edit mode, and you can go to white screen or black screen. If you have any additional questions, you can go ahead and contact us at anamarksupport.edu. Once you're finished with your Hiro presenter, you'll simply pull out the USB section from your computer. You'll flip it back over, you'll insert it back into the control, and you'll return to the front desk as soon as you're finished.